Okay, hello everyone and welcome back. Today's video is going to teach you how to move your turtle. So let's get started. The first step is to just import your turtle and set up your code, so go ahead and do that. If you've not finished the lesson on what you need to do that, I would recommend going back and finishing that right now before you watch this video. So go ahead and pause the video to do any of that. Okay, now that you've set up your turtle, we can learn how to move the turtle in Python. So, to move the turtle forward, let's say like 10 pixels, Codey dot forward 10. So you put the name of your turtle dot forward, and then in the parentheses you put how many pixels you want it to move forward. Then if you want it to move backwards, you can change forward to backward, and then it'll go backwards 10. We're going to keep it forward. So we've got that. Yeah, just go ahead and write down all this code in whatever code editor you decided to use, because we're going to use it in a bit. So now we need to learn how to make the turtle turn. So you do Codey.left, and we can make it turn 90 degrees. To make it turn right, you just replace it with right, and it'll turn the opposite direction. So now we know how to move it forward and make it turn. So we're just going to do like a short little project, I guess. So Codey dot forward, let's set it to 200. Then we're going to do Codey dot left 90. We're going to try to draw a square. So if you want to try to figure that out now, you can, but just pause the video and then we can work through it together. So we can just copy and paste, make it repeat 4 times. We don't need it to turn at the end. Okay, we want it to move. This will move it forward 200 pixels and then turn it left 90. So we can run that, and it ends up looking like this. So we just repeat that 4 times to make a square. Or now let's try making a triangle. So now that you know how to make a square, feel free to pause the video and try to figure out what you do for a triangle. So we're going to keep the side length at 200, but now each time we make a turn, we replace the 90 with 120. And now we get an equilateral triangle. You have to use the inverse of the angles when turning, because that's just how like the angles work in Turtle. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Good luck and see you next time.